WTH Expert Carnivores Do for 4x Fast Results. The Pro Guide to Eating Only Meat. Have you started the carnivore diet only to hit a wall of confusing symptoms, from digestive chaos to relentless cravings? Do you see other people shedding pounds and regaining energy effortlessly, while you feel stuck in a loop of uncertainty? The secret isn't some rare nutrient. It's knowing the simple, non-obvious strategies that top carnivore influencers use every single day. I am Mirza from Carnivore Cure. Welcome! If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today, we're doing a deep dive into the playbook of successful, long-term carnivores like Dr. Ken Berry and Dr. Shawn Baker. We're revealing the pro secrets that separate those who struggle from those who get 4x fast results on the carnivore diet. 1. The expert advantage. Secrets to smooth adaptation. We've seen two types of beginners, the struggler and the success story. Both started with chronic health issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, and low energy. The struggler tried to guess the path, dealing with loose stools, failing to balance fat and protein, and obsessing over the scale. The success story, however, followed a calculated plan and saw unexpected, extraordinary results, including a remarkable reduction in weight and betterment in all key health markers. What made the difference? It wasn't magic, it was knowledge. These pro secrets are what will propel your carnivore journey onto the fast lane toward your desired health and wellness results. Pro tip number 1. Coping with digestive issues, the fat-bile balance. Digestive problems are the number one reason beginners quit the carnivore diet. This is your body adjusting its gut microbiome and ramping up bile production, something essential for digesting higher amounts of fat and protein. Tackling constipation. If you're blocked up, you might be eating too much lean meat. The trick here is to moderate your fat intake. Paradoxically, sometimes too little fat can slow things down, but often, the key is the type and amount of fat as your body adjusts. Ensure you are getting adequate fat with your protein. Fixing loose stools. Loose stools, or carnivore runs, are common as your gut microbiome shifts. Dr. Tony Hampton suggests that to resolve this, adding cheese or other full-fat dairy, if tolerated, can help a lot. Dairy offers a concentrated source of fat and stimulates the release of cholecystokinin, CCK, a hormone that promotes gut motility and helps solidify stool. The key: start gradually. Increase your fat intake incrementally as you adapt to the carnivore diet. Begin with moderate fat sources like fatty cuts of meat, ribeye, ground beef, and ensure adequate hydration and electrolyte balance to keep everything working smoothly. Pro tip number 2. Overcoming sugar and carb cravings, the nutrient density hack. That relentless itch for something sweet is your body's old programming screaming for a quick energy fix. But when you're on the carnivore diet, your body learns to derive energy from different, superior sources, proteins and fats. Eat for satiety. The first step to curb sugar cravings is to ensure you're getting adequate nutrition by eating enough high-quality meat. Meat is packed with proteins and essential nutrients that keep you satiated and fuel your body efficiently. The organ meat powerhouse. Don't just stick to muscle meat. Organ meats like liver, heart, and kidney are powerhouses of nutrition, full of vitamins and minerals that instantly replenish essential cofactors, which ensures your body gets the deep nourishment it needs, effectively fending off cravings. Push the pedal on fats. Fats are extremely crucial in the entire carnivore game. When you consume sufficient fat, your body gets a steady, non-spiking supply of energy, curbing the need for a quick sugar fix. Fats also keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of snacking between meals. Anecdote 1. The liver lift John, a 42-year-old beginner, struggled desperately with nightly ice cream cravings, even after eating a big steak dinner. He felt like he was failing. After watching a video on nutrient density, he reluctantly tried adding a small amount of frozen, shaved liver to his ground beef. That night, the craving vanished entirely. He realized his body wasn't asking for sugar, it was screaming for the vital B vitamins and iron that the liver provided. 2. Advanced strategies for sustainable carnivore success. Getting past the first 2 weeks is one thing. Making the carnivore diet a sustainable, lifetime health solution is another. These final 3 tips are the blueprint for long-term success. Pro tip number 3. How to plan your meals. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Carnivore might seem simple, but the pros plan. Planning your meals isn't just about knowing what you will eat. It's about ensuring you have the right ingredients readily available to prevent slipping up. Stocking up is crucial. Always ensure you have enough meat items in your fridge or freezer. You don't want to be in a situation where you're hungry and there's nothing appropriate to eat. That's a recipe for disaster. Buying in bulk saves money and ensures consistency. Variety for nutrients. While beef is the cornerstone, aim for variety over the week. Steak day, ground meat day, organ meat day, fish day. Having a variety of meats in your diet ensures that you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients. Dr. Shawn Baker's wisdom. In the words of Dr. Shawn Baker, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Planning your meals is one of those small, essential efforts that will pay off big time in the long run. Pro tip number 4, replacing scale obsession with progress photos. The scale is not always an accurate measure of your progress. Body weight fluctuates due to water retention, muscle gain, and gut changes. Obsessing over a number that doesn't reflect the true internal healing can lead to unnecessary stress. The progress photo story. Regular progress photos are a more reliable and holistic approach. Pictures document your journey, showcasing not just fat loss but other vital improvements. Better posture, reduced inflammation, bloat, and glowing skin. They serve as visual proof of how far you've come, capturing the subtle changes you might otherwise overlook. Focus on the non-scale victories, NSVs. Visualize this. The scale hasn't changed much, but your posture has improved, your joint pain is gone, and you feel energetic. That's the real progress. Progress photos remind you that the scale gives you a number, but the photos tell you the story of your entire healing journey. Anecdote 3. The clothing clue. Mike, a construction worker, was frustrated because his weight loss stalled after 2 months. He almost quit. Then, his wife pointed out that he'd gone down 2 belt loops, and his work pants were baggy. He realized he had been gaining dense muscle mass while shedding soft body fat and inflammation. He stopped weighing himself and started taking photos from the same angle every Sunday. The difference was stunning. He looked leaner, even if the scale stayed the same. Pro tip number 5, adjusting fat to protein ratios and meal frequency. This final tip is for the more seasoned carnivores looking to maximize their performance and longevity. The engine analogy. In Dr. Ken Berry's words, think of your body as an engine that thrives on 2 fuels: proteins, the building blocks, and fats, your body's premium fuel. The key is to strike a balance that fulfills your individual body needs. The starting ratio. Top influencers suggest starting with a general ratio of 2 parts fat to 1 part protein, by weight or calories, depending on the source. You must adjust this ratio based on your body's responses, energy needs, and satiety levels. If you're constantly hungry, increase the fat. If you're dealing with severe loose stools, temporarily back it off. Meal frequency. There's no hard and fast rule, but most successful long-term carnivores naturally settle into 2 large meals, like breakfast and dinner, or eventually move to 1 meal a day, OMAD, because of the high satiety. Adjusting your fat-protein ratio and meal frequency can significantly enhance your carnivore diet experience, pushing you past plateaus. Conclusion. Embrace the mastery, reap the rewards. We've unveiled the top 5 pro secrets that all top influencers and experts covertly practice for fast and durable carnivore diet results. Success isn't about dieting harder, it's about eating smarter and understanding your body's metabolic needs. Now it's your turn to play a part for our carnivore community. Share your story, your successes, your struggles, and your victories in the comments. Subscribe to at ms-Mirza Carnivore Cure. I'm not a doctor. Consult a healthcare professional before making major diet changes.